Hello everyone, it's me Lisa, and in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how to see your card details on your Apple Wallet on 2024. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that your Apple Wallet is set up on your iPhone. If your iPhone is new, then please be assured that you set this up. Mine is already set up in this phone, so let's get started. Over here on the search tab, I'll be searching for wallet. Then it'll open like this, and as you can see, here is a card that is already in my Apple ID. And then what I want to do is click on the top right three dots over here, and you can see card details or card number. If you want to see the card number, then just click on the card number. If you want to see the card details properly, then click on the card details, and you can see all the details of the cards and your bank account and your identity and your card information, how much balance you have on your Apple Cash credit card. So this is a quick and easy way on how you can view your card number or card details on Apple Wallet in 2024. Thank you guys for watching this videos. If this video was helpful, please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. It's me, Lee, signing off. Peace.